chilly. Hey everyone, I'm Louie. My dog William and I have been living in a van off and on for a little over 2 years now. So far, we have adventured through 21 states and 3 Canadian provinces. We've climbed, hiked, and have met a bunch of awesome nomads along the way. After a few months break living in a house through the beginning of the pandemic, we have built out a whole new van and hit the road again. This time, caravanning with my mom and her pup Lady. Thanks for watching and subscribe to find out where we end up each week. Good morning everyone from a really snowy spot that we are at. Yesterday it snowed like, I want to say 6 inches where we are parked, and rather than trying to stick this out in a city where we could drive around more easily, we decided to stick out this whiplash of a winter storm in a quiet spot with good service, and it's actually really beautiful out. In the next few days, the snow should melt and we should be able to leave pretty okay, so it's beautiful. I figured that I would pick up the camera today. Yesterday was pretty rough because it was really cold and I didn't want to do anything yesterday except lay under blankets and watch YouTube videos. So today I'm going to take y'all along for a sunny winter day as opposed to a freezing, extremely snowy winter day. So we're gonna get up, take William out to the bathroom, and my mom's here. Look at that snow. I don't know if you can see. Yesterday was even worse. Check out my frozen boots. So frozen. All of our water froze. I'm really relieved to see that the road is clearing up. I've mostly just spent the morning working on stuff. It's really hard in this kind of weather to get anything done. Like any extreme weather, whether it's super hot or super cold in the van, and if you don't have a way to like mitigate some of that weather, it can be really hard to, it can be really distracting and hard to focus on stuff that you need to focus on. So I guess that's like one downside, one of many downsides of living in a van out in the middle of nature. It's been really hard. Like yesterday, I didn't do any work because it was so cold. My solar panels weren't getting a lot of juice, so I didn't want to turn my inverter on and charge it and waste all my battery power so that I would have to live in the dark once it got dark. So there's just so much to think about, like when you live this close to nature. Like granted, we have lots of luxuries in our vans, but it's still not like living in a brick or mortar house. You have to be very aware of everything and be okay with a couple down days. Kind of all balances out in the end, but yeah, so we're just going on a little walk, checking out the road, see how we can get out of here in a couple days. Looks good. It's sunny though. Get that vitamin D. It's nice out, Will. Lippy. Oh, look at that snow. Do you like the snow, Will? Look at those mountains. So pretty. look majestic in the snow. William, stop eating the snow. It's bad for you. Let's go get some water. Come on. Hey. Alright. Just a little water. Look at that. Looks like a nipple. It's actually really beautiful. Want that in your water, William? Okay, I gotta pour William some water. Huh? You thirsty? Oh. Yay! Water! So I don't have this hooked up to my sink right now because I don't want to bust my water pump because there's probably still ice in it. I'm gonna maybe give it another day or so before I hook all my water up to run through my pipes again. But you know, it's just bringing us closer to like we're camping. My favorite. I can't wait to do dishes again. I'm kind of debating doing my dishes in the snow. I don't know if that's sanitary or not, but that would be so nice. Just wash them in the snow. On this channel, I want to be real. The future of this channel will continue to be real. I want everything that I put on this channel to be some sort of story, some sort of look into real van life and what it's really like if you're someone who's just plain and normal like me, trying to live this lifestyle. I just want to stay real, you know, on this channel. So you want to see some real van life? I will show you some real van life. Burp, 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 burp. Yeah, that's right, people. I don't know how people keep their dishes looking 100% neat all the time, especially when they're on the move and when your water has frozen. Yeah, they must move them out of the pictures or something because I haven't done dishes in 3 days because my water has been frozen. And it looks like that, so I've been living in this van with that. And besides that, I won't show you because no one really wants to look at trash, but I have trash that has accumulated in my van that also isn't quite so yummy smelling that I also need to get rid of. And I don't want to put it outside because I don't know if there are any black bears in this region or not, so I don't want to attract any animals or anything. But so I have my trash thankfully behind a door, but it also doesn't smell so yummy. That's reality. Maybe I'm doing this wrong, but for me, real van life looks like dishes and trash and a messy space a lot of the time, especially when you're unmotivated and freezing yesterday to do any cleaning. So this morning I did a little bit of organizing. William, are you nappy now that you went for a little walk, huh? After I take him out into the snow and he's been running around, he gets so nappy. Oh, let's cover you in some blankets so you can take a nap. Thankfully, because the sun is shining in on this window, the van is kind of acting like a greenhouse right now, and everything is super warm in here. It's really nice for a change. I don't know if y'all will catch me in this kind of weather again after this incident. I am going to go as far south as I possibly can because cold weather is nice. It's beautiful. I appreciate it. I don't think I want to live in this for 3 to 4 months. So we're gonna go further south. Get some of that warm weather as much as possible.
Get additional details about any errors or any disapproved or expiring, you can click on the
Yeah, it's not gonna be an issue at all. It's melting. What are you doing, bud? Oh my gosh, it's dripping. chopsticks. It's time to cookie some Denny and feed William some Denny. What is on the menu tonight is some chili that I'm going to MacGyver together with some random ingredients to make a delicious chili for dinner for us. So this is our little chili that I made with random ingredients that I had. Oh my gosh, William.
Stop! You're gonna make me drop it.
Oh, William. Stop it.
Yum!
How you doing with the cold?
I'm doing better now that it's getting warmer. I can't function when it's that cold.
Yeah.
It's hard to,
Yeah,
you know?
it's hard.
Yeah. But, I mean, it's been beautiful, but...
You're in the way, William. He's like, I want that chili. You just want some chili.
You're just a food and attention hog.
Look at that. Oh my god. No,
like,
William.
He's like, just drop it in my mouth. I'm right here. I'm lining up.
He's like, he's like, look, I'm ready. He's like, don't worry about it. I'll take it. William.
It's like, stop talking to her and talk to me.
What are you doing? Oh my god. He's just hamming it up.
What are you doing?
You're gonna put a hole in her nice coat.
Oh, you're sweet baby. You want some
He's
love?
so cute boy.
You come want some love?
He wants you to pet him. I think that's what that means.
He's like, pet me.
Yeah.
I want you to talk. Pet me. Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? Yes. Doggies love having their faces pet. Sadie does the same thing. Ow.
Well, yeah. His little paw. I can't really see it because my camera's really bad at picking up light, but it is, the moon is so bright right now that literally, like, I can see a good 50 feet in front of me, no problem. And if you listen hard enough out in the distance, you can hear coyotes. I think they're coyotes. It sounds really cool. And William just ran around in the snow for a bit. Now he's chilly. Usually when it is this cold out, I will usually spend my night watching YouTube videos under the blanket with William. And you know, it's not so bad. It's probably pretty equivalent to being hibernating like a bear. But William's a great snuggler. Are you cold now? Oh, your feet are so cold. Are you chilly? It's time to warm up. Poor guy. Running around in the snow with your feetsies. With your little paws. They're cold. Oh, and your little nose is cold too.